In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Shopify product schema to your store. We are going to do this directly inside your Shopify theme code. The process is straightforward, but it is important to place the schema in the correct file so it appears properly on your product pages. Product schema helps search engines better understand your product information, which can support richer search results and improve how your listings are interpreted. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From there, go to Online Store, then click Themes. This will take you to the area where you can manage the theme that is currently live on your store. Next, find your active theme. On that theme, click the three-dot menu to open more options. From the drop-down, select Edit Code. This opens the theme editor, where you can access the files that control how your storefront is built. Once you are inside the code editor, look for either the main product.liquid file or the product.liquid file. Depending on your theme, this file may be located inside the Sections folder or the Templates folder. If you are using a newer Shopify theme, you will often find main product.liquid under Sections. On some older themes, product.liquid may be the file you need instead. After you open the correct file, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the code. This is where you will place the product schema. Be careful not to paste it in the middle of another block of code, since that can cause formatting or functionality issues. Now paste the schema code wrapped inside HTML script tags exactly as intended. It is important to keep the code structure unchanged. If the schema format is altered, search engines may not read it correctly, so make sure everything is pasted cleanly and completely at the bottom of the file. Once the code has been added, click Save. That will apply the change to your theme. At this point, the product schema has been added to your store theme. If you want to be extra careful, you can revisit the file after saving to confirm the code stayed in place and was not accidentally inserted inside another section. Accuracy matters here, especially when working with structured data. That covers everything you need to know.